You've probably heard the phrase, it takes money to make money. The only problem for many of us is getting money in the first place. Well, one way is to borrow money to invest. But is that a good idea? Let's find out. The first step is to figure out what it will cost to borrow the money. Take note of any fees and the interest rate you'll be charged. The payback schedule is also important. If you need to repay the money in installments, make sure you can cover those payments along the way. Next, estimate how profitable the investment might be. This is usually presented as a percentage of the initial investment called the rate of return. Lastly, consider the riskiness of the investment. How likely is it you could lose everything you borrowed versus just a piece of it? Base your final decision on how the risks and costs of borrowing compare to the potential expected profit from the investment. How much risk are you comfortable taking on? If the equation tips in favor of the potential profit, you might borrow the money. But if the opposite is true, perhaps you steer clear. To learn about borrowing to invest using a margin account, check out our other videos on the topic.